Hi all. I hope you all doing great. Okay, today usually my videos I'll keep it as positive, but today out of frustration, I thought of making this video, and I don't want anybody to experience what I experienced yesterday. Okay, as you see my thumbnail, you can see that there is an issue happen where a delivery supposed to come yesterday at 7:50 p.m. But it didn't come. But the status was showed as delivered, which is this is more frustration like have a many have experienced the same. I don't know many managed to go and complain the layers. The problem which exactly I have faced yesterday is I ordered so-called well-known brand everywhere around the world. We don't talk about world, we talk about Malaysia. Very well known, and I supposed to order via Grab and via Food Panda, but I thought of just go to their own website, download. I'm already having that their delivery application as well. So I have ordered my food for my daughter and my husband because I'm a vegetarian. So they are non-veg, and it's a fast food, supposed to be fast delivered. And as you all know, as yesterday was heavy rain, the complaint is nothing to do with late or not delivered, or even not delivered also is not a complaint. So how they handle things is was what frustrating me the most. I ordered 7:10. I was stuck in a meeting until 7:45. I was working from home yesterday, and my husband and my daughter is starving, and I thought of doing a quick cooking, but I really exhausted, and I quickly ordered, and they says that your delivery will come 7:35 to 7:50. So I thought it's just nice for a 8 o'clock dinner. And it's been 8 o'clock, it didn't arrive. 8:10, it didn't arrive, and I keep on refreshing the application, and it says that in process, and I was like after 8 o'clock I was started to iron, and for quite some time I didn't refresh, and my daughters keep on coming asking that I'm hungry, where is my food, ma? Then I was like, it's already 8:30. Then again I thought maybe it's not refreshed. I refreshed the application, and it says delivered. Then I told my husband maybe it's due to the contactless delivery. Maybe they would have delivered outside of our house. Can you please quickly go and look? And my husband have opened and looked everywhere. There is nothing. Status was changed, delivered. I was checking. There is that application was like so user friendly. It says delivered means they believe 100% we got our things. So they don't give any contact number of who delivered or a complaint form. Nothing we can do in that application. So anything we say, it will redirect us to a toll-free number. That is the wonderful part of toll-free number. As you all know, toll-free, how it works, how wonderful it works. But it's okay. Toll-free, many people wanted to do a complaint. So I called toll-free number. And the best frustrating part of this toll-free number is I called at 8:30 until 8:50. That means every 3 minutes when I do my selection, they say wait for your customer service to attend this call. I'm okay to wait. I'm waiting. After 3 minutes, it says that everybody is busy. Please launch anything you want to tell. Please go to our website, select the contact us, and then put your remark there. And then it is for immediate delivery. I want to know where is my delivery. So how to do that? Again, I call until 8:50. Imagine almost 10 times I've called the same toll-free number, and I fed up of getting the same answer. And then I have no choice. I immediately, whatever they said, the crap they said, go to the website. So I immediately launch a complaint. So I said, your useless helpline, When I want delivery now, my delivery didn't arrive, and I happily need to wait for you guys to write a command while my husband and my daughter is starving for dinner, which is I wrote a very sarcastic comment, everything, and put my phone number, everything, and then I sent. I don't have any choice. It's 44 ringgit. Money is matter, of course, but in this matter is matterless, definitely. At 9:02 p.m. I called the customer toll free again. To my surprise, a well-known brand. 9:02, they say that our working hours is something like 6 a.m. or whatever crap until 9 p.m. only. I was keep on calling from 8:30 until 8:50. None of them ready to answer. Don't know, maybe they would have shaking their egg, laying their egg or shaking their leg. I have no clue on that part. But this kind of urgent thing, it's heavy rain outside and our car is in service center. We don't have a car. We can't go out. Of course, I have a backup plan for the eating, which is a least bothered backup plan. And quickly I go and check, because anything we do in that application, it will give an email. So I go and check what time the email has been sent to me, says that it's already delivered. Initially I didn't check my email because application already there, it's giving me the status. So it says that 8:23 the status was delivered. The email came, your meal was successfully delivered. So I don't mind to tell who the crap of supply is. A well-known Mac delivery, and such a useless service you having. I'm going to do a call with Mac delivery. I'm going to record that call, and then I'm going to I feel like wanted to I'm still cannot get rid of my anger. I'm not a person who get angry very fast, but this is ridiculous. Of course, I'm not eating a dinner yesterday, which is I already planned not to eat. But my daughter and my husband, since it's already 9 o'clock, we are an early eater. We're supposed to eat 7 o'clock. Just because we planned for 8 o'clock. That never happened. Hand up, my neighbor gave us a temple prasad, which is a temple food. She was accidentally walked past by, and then she thought of us, and she come and give us a temple food, and I thought God is with us. It's like exactly 9 p.m. she gave that food for us, and my husband and my daughter eat that. That is another God grace. But I clearly mentioned, if you just order either Grab or Foodpanda, at least you know that who pick your order, who going to deliver. If the deliver is a bit late, most of the time they are very, very good in messaging, saying that I'll be on the way, the delivery is taking time, kind of status change we can see. But it's my stupidity. I go to their website, and then I thought of, hey, Mac delivery. I have ordered before. This is not my first time order. And my below house, this is a townhouse, which is I'm in the top floor, second floor. My first floor house, there is a CCTV camera as well. They cannot say that I'm cheating. I'm 44 ringgit if I want to cheat and build a bungalow. That is crap stories, and they're gonna get nicely. Do not order from that Mac delivery, even though you have a good experience. If one day you had a bad experience, you will no way to go anywhere to do anything, because the toll free won't work. There is no way to complain immediately. There's no way to immediate solution. If you don't have an immediate solution, that is then why you create the application. Please change your application. Actually, do not play around with people's time. For you rain, it's for us also it's rain. Late, we are okay. You're not delivered, we are okay. We want to know what is the circumstance, what happened, why my delivery, it says it's delivered and I'm starving here. Give us a backup plan at least. Sorry guys, this is like a frustrating. I'm like going crazy, but this is something like I wanted to tell you guys that just careful with this Mac delivery until they change at least the application. If not, just walk in, be a walk-in customer. Of course, they are well known, well famous. Their food is nice. We no complain about that, but this complaint need to be dealt. Okay, that's all about it. I will put in between the call which I have done with the toll free. If ever they start to pick, I'm going to record the call. Definitely for sure. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.